Isaiah Armstrong-Ravula is near 100 points. Halfback Simeone Kuruvuli has had some good form. Powerhouse centre pairing, Kemu Valetini, Iosofumasi, Kau Palawariki at 12 and 13. Out back, Epeli Momo, Celestino Rabutamara and Eli Satroa Sese make up a rapid back three. On the bench, Tongiatama, Tukiri Tawake, Ratui Solea, Miramira, Matualu Mant and Rakuro will bring the speed.
Well, Highlanders coach Clark Dermody has made 4 changes, 1 positional change to the side that was well beaten at the hands of the Blues at Eden Park last week. Up front, All Black Ethan de Groot, co-captains, packing down again with Henry Ballin, former Wallaby Jermaine Ainsley. Fabian Holland locks the scrum again with Mitch Dunshea. There is a welcome return from injury for Billy Harmon, co-captaining at number 8, and the only change to the pack alongside Ollie Haig and Sean Withy. The absence of Cameron Miller this week sees young AJ Faliafunga handed another start at 10 alongside Falau Fakatava. Jake Tehiwi moves to centre this week in place of the injured Danielu Delea, partnering Sam Gilbert. Jonah Nardeki makes his welcome return on the left wing in an electric back three with Timothy Tavatava Nawai and Jacob Rotomaitavuki Neepkins. A second appearance of the season awaits Matt Whanga off the pine, where a returning Connor Garden Basham could also play a key role later in the contest. Let's get conditions sideline here at Forsyth Bar Stadium. Joey Wheeler.
Tēnā koroa, Jeff and Kane. No mai haere mai to all the Sky viewers from a chilly afternoon in Otipoti, Dunedin. Forsyth Bar Stadium, as always, is hot and fast under boot. It's club day here today, as you alluded to, Jeff. A good crowd of over 14,000 is expected for some Sunday afternoon footy. How good. A chartered Fijian Airways flight is also full of Fijian Drua fans who will certainly bring as much fizz in the stands as we can expect on the grass as the Fiji Drua side comes out onto Forsyth Bar Stadium.
Thank you, Joey. Yes, good support here for the Drua this afternoon. And having to do something that is proven difficult. Win away from Fiji. 50 super games for this man, Falau Fakatava. He will be into absolutely everything this afternoon. For the Fijian Drua, Isaiah Armstrong-Ravula gets the final game of the penultimate round of Super Rugby Pacific underway at Forsyth Bar Stadium. They go to work again. The little kick will come through. Asa Droa Sesi, work to do for Jacob Rotomaitavuki Neepkins, does well too. But the defence is there, wrap him up. Roberto Manana Gilbert, little short side option, Nardeki puts the foot down, he's got players on the inside. Fakatava calling for it. For AJ Faliafunga, who looks low, tries to find the angle for the 50-22, spilling across to the far side. No real room for Armstrong-Ravula, gets a lovely bounce. And the ball has come forward, yeah. So the Highlanders and Henry Bell, he sends it down the back as far as Ollie Haig. Get it rolling. Good march on here from the home side. Tavatava Nawai lurking away blind.
Everyone's fine.
Fakatava wants his hands on it. It's got a few options to work with here. Just want to carry to settle things down. Gilbert away for Faliafunga. Here's Jacob Rotomaitavuki Neepkins shifting it, and here he is, he's back! Jonah Nardeki, welcome back to Super Rugby.
Well, it was an outstanding start from the Highlanders, especially at maul time. It marched its way forward about 10 metres and set this chance up on the outside.
It's a lovely strike. Fans will tell you, flags are up at Forsyth Bar. Gilbert converts the try to Jonah Nardeki. Man who was injured last year here in Dunedin against the Drua, ended his Super Rugby season.
Advantage! Not supporting body weight.
Fakatava and the Highlanders can have a free crack right out in front. Nothing will come of it. 17 odd metres in from the near touch. He sends it through. No problem for Sam Gilbert. 25 gone in Dunedin. And a bright start, the try to Jonah Nardeki. Fakatava. Front rows go down. Ben O'Keefe will play on Billy Harmon. Back to his halfback, Nardeki. First receiver sells the dummy. Gets through them. Look at it, link up. It's a ball. Oh, this is outstanding. Jacob Rotomaitavuki Neepkins says Jananariki, thanks very much.
Now, it wasn't too long ago.
Highlanders leading scorer this season, looking to add a few more. And the Fijian Drua will just send it back to Isaiah Armstrong-Ravula. He says that'll do. That'll do nicely for the Highlanders. They're on target for the quarterfinals this season. Excellent first half of rugby for them, and they lead it by 18 points to 0. So the Highlanders, 18 points to the good. Away we go in the second half. There's Konia Wanga. Aniveri for Isua Nasila, the captain on the wrap. Takes it down just shy of the 22. They got a penalty here to work with as well. Just on the park, Tangeri. Become just the second man to do that by Ndedi Tala. Which he does. Gets them on the board. 5 minutes into the second half. It's the Highlanders 18-3.
The raging ball, Ethan de Groot.
There he goes. Skimming stones with Joey, now trying to score a try in such a big game for the Highlanders. Fakatava shifts it away for Bell.
Another advantage, pillar offside, foot in front.
Got another advantage to work with here. Faliafunga, sure, Tehiwi had a player on the outside. And he just takes it to ground a few metres out. Still on here for the Highlanders. Big time, hands, he's going to get two. What a game he's having. Jananariki for the Highlanders.
And jersey 23 as well, fellas. Taniela Rakulo's on.
Gilbert.
No one jersey has a good day at the office.
Oliver Haig. The Highlanders, this line of drivers look pretty sharp so far today. As Henry Bell looks brushed off that calf niggle. He breaks off the back for Fakatava and Billy Harmon just juggles the ball momentarily. It's Dunshea waits to go one wider to Jermaine Ainsley. Gilbert, now he kicks across to the right wing of Timothy Tamatavanawa, magic ball back out to the wing. Oh, that's outstanding! Oh, the Highlanders playing some code this afternoon, and Timothy Tamatavanawa has it. He's got the spirit fingers with him, won't need it, he's kicking beautifully now. Another half a dozen phases for the Drua. One looks slightly forward to Tanakai Vara off of Armstrong-Ravula.
Advantage over.
And now the structure just breaking down a bit the final few minutes of this game. Galatini shifting it away. Drua Sese. Good strong defence coming in from Daniel Leonard-Brown. 10 years in Super Rugby, and who started out with the Crusaders 10 years ago. Here's another try for the Highlanders. Nick Cotter brought in, swan dives in under the post.
Well, it was a messy passage of play leading up to it.
Dishes it away. Oh, there's almost an intercept for the Drua. Come forward. Penalty advantage too. Keith reckons they weren't in a position to have a fair crack at it. He caught it, brought in Max Hicks, in fact, it is looking to pass the ball round the corner. And
What number?
he hasn't dug in the pocket today yet, Ben O'Keefe, but that might change.
Well, he was doing a lot of talk. You might have heard him to his TMO.
15 Drua. Deliver, knock on, stops the line break.
Elisa Drua Sese. With only 5 seconds on the clock, now ticks over 80. He finds his way on the sideline. And the Highlanders with their final chance. What will they do with it?
AJ Faliafunga says that'll do. The Highlanders are going back to the Super Rugby quarterfinals.